Hello everyone, good morning. Are you watching my marigold flowers? How much flowers are blooming nowadays? It is the season of marigold flowers. That's why this much flowers are blooming in my garden, isn't it? I love flowers. I love the entire nature. I think that nature is the precious gift of God, what God has given us. When you are spending your time with nature, you are feeling better. One day you try to do this. Just go to any place where nature is beautiful. Spend some time there and see how much mental peace you are getting. Isn't it? I love all my flowers. That's why I have planted lot of flower plants here.